In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create new leads on Hunter.io. If this helps you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Hunter official website. This is the email finder website, and then head to leads down here. Here you can see the current leads that you have. If you want to add another lead, go ahead and on top right, just click on new lead. Now, if you click on this, you'll have an option to add various details such as email, the name of the contact, job title, phone number, department, and even country, city, just to mention but a few. And finally, you can also add the company details here and click on create. By clicking on create, a new lead will be added onto this list that you have here. So that's how you can create a new lead on Finder.io. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.